What about back that way? Look around that way. I had kind of looked in there, but I don't think it. Right? Shine your light back down that way. Yeah, it could be. I was thinking your light might come out over there. I see where it might go down right there where your light's stopping. Let's see if I can get over there. Or I put traffic through here too. Huh? Yeah. Here's another out arrow. And this goes down right here, Todd. Deep. I see your light too. Huh? I don't know. Come look at it. I don't know if we can get out right here. We can get down. I don't know if we can get out. Does it? Come look at this slide going down to it though when you get from there. Yeah, crawl under me and look. See? Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's Mason Dixon, ain't it? There's out arrows right here. There's a white out arrow right there. Right here. We've got a purple one, a green one, another white one, and then a black one that says out. That looks like it was flamed up there with some carbide. Shine your light up there again. Yeah, I see your light. Okay. Coming out over there. Yeah, I see your light back there. That's exactly where we come in, was over there. Yeah, that's the way that we were going when we come in. Except that's down bottom where we come around the top, you know? Do what? Found a piece of chalk. I found a piece of chalk. Yeah. Ooh, that's loose. I'm on top of you, actually. Right here, I see you. I see you. You're looking right here. Oh no, we don't do. Right? Wonder which way this one is. This right here looks like a little. Yeah, I got one right here too. I'm also standing on a bunch of fresh ass rock. Let me move back this way. How the hell did I get right here? That didn't sound good. Huh? In the truck. Oh yeah, I see that. You can go straight up right there, Todd. You can go straight up right there and come out. Right here, see? You need a hand or anything? Right. Right. Look, there ain't all the way back here. Up here on this, yeah, right there, and then you got my hand too, if you need it. Watch your head coming straight up. So what do you think, that used to be the way, or see, this is all fresh with no mud on it, you know, all this, see, so we go this way back to where we, I know, we're gonna go back around right there. It is a cool room. Yeah, me either. Yeah, it's massive. Giant. Yeah, I got heartburn from or indigestion or something from bending over so much. Ooh, that's cool. Dead brother. I know. See, I'm not real crazy about like this. Yeah, see, like this mud. If there's been a bunch of traffic through here, it should be mashed down, just stained on the rock like that. Yeah, it's down there. Yeah. See, like this stuff, I don't like that. Yeah, there's an out arrow right here coming from down there. Huh? Where?
Right there.
Where I am?
No, that's not about where you're going.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Making it. So at one point, see, this breakdown is this side and on the other side. This was all